this is the unboxing of the idli maker that I bought. It is basically the South Indian idli maker, which is not like the idli maker that we buy at North Indian shops. I mean, I bought it at the shop nearby me, but it is not, which is really common at the shop, and it is called Diamond Idli pot. It is from the company of Stainless Steel Diamond. I bought it at the shop nearby me, but you can buy it online also. I will share the link in the description for all the platforms if you want to buy it. And it costs from between 900 to 1300 according to what comes inside it. So okay, let's start. Okay, so first of all, it has this idli stand, idli maker. It has 1 2 3 5 6 7 7 in one tray and 7 in another, so you can make 14 all at once. And the benefit of it is that the benefit of this stand over other normal idli stand is that you can make so many of idlis only at one go. You don't have to cook again and again, and it is better than the microwave utensils, because it is microwave utensils are made up of plastic, and those are really harmful for the health. So I prefer this. So basically, this is like the cooker for it, the steamer. This is like the cooker steamer, uh, and these are the trays which we will put it inside for cooking, and we will cover it up with this. And the thing which makes the difference in the price is this, which extra things comes up with this. This is, I think, the small idli makers, or what we call for making appes or all those stuff. This, you can put it inside. This is also another thing that came with it. It is steamer for making momos or anything if you want to make steamed or stuff like that. And this plate, I think this is for support, or I don't know, I haven't really used it. So yeah, I think, should we try fitting it? I think this will go first, and I think this one is for the support. And I think it will go like this for the steaming. So you can arrange it accordingly. So yeah, that was it. Okay, I think that is enough.